Hello. As you know, BMW is testing the next-gen 7 Series, and even though there are already some pictures of how it can look, I still wanted to take my shot at this. So, here it is, my vision of the next-gen BMW 7 Series. It's not exactly what I would like it to look, but what I think it can look. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. And that's all for today. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and also check my second channel, Cooking with Emet. Thanks for watching, and see ya!